Yo, you ready?
Welcome back, everybody. Today, we're going to be doing a very special segment. We're going to be doing a cooking segment. Here with us, as always, is our little friend here, Peapod. Today, we're going to be cooking pancakes. First thing you want to do when cooking pancakes is get yourself some pre-mixed pancake mix. We're just going to take that right out of the bag just like that. You know what? Peapod, I'll let you deal with that. Here you go. Now, while Peapod's taking care of that, we're going to do some whisking of our own. What you want to do when making pancakes is just mix it real nice. Just like that. Beat the devil out of it. Just like that. And that just keeps your utensils nice and clean. Great job, Peapod. We'll just add that little thing right there to the bowl, just like that. Once those are all mixed to a nice homogeneous substance, we're going to add them together. Peapod, I don't remember chocolate chips being in this mix. These are regular pancakes. I don't know how you got chocolate chips up in... You know, friends, every once in a while we just have a happy little accident. Nothing we can't fix. Just happy little accidents here and there, every once in a while. Alright, there we go. Now, let's add our two mixes together. Now, friends, our handiwork is all done, and it's time to taste the fruits of our labor. My favorite. In the next episode, we're gonna be making hard-boiled eggs, so stay tuned. Alright, yeah, and